Noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to the disturbance caused in the environment by undesirable, loud, and harsh sounds from various sources. It is a relatively recent issue that has emerged in the 20th century, largely due to the increased reliance on various types of machinery in homes, workplaces, factories, and other settings. The level of noise pollution in a particular area is determined by factors such as the loudness of the sound and the duration of noise exposure. Some common sources of noise pollution include 1. Noise in homes. This can be caused by devices such as televisions, radios, powerful music systems, washing machines, dessert coolers, mixers, grinders, vacuum cleaners, telephones, typewriters, and air conditioners. 2. Noise in the surroundings. This includes loudspeakers used at events like weddings and religious gatherings, fireworks during celebrations, street hawkers, promotional announcements by businesses, and construction activities. 3. Noise in factories. Machinery used in factories, regardless of their size, is a significant source of noise pollution. 4. Transportation-related noise includes sounds generated by trains, all types of petrol and diesel vehicles, aeroplanes, and the use of pressure horns in automobiles. Harmful effects of noise pollution. 1. Surrounding noise disrupts conversations. 2. Prolonged exposure to noise pollution can lead to hearing loss or deafness. 3. Noise pollution reduces concentration and work efficiency. 4. Noise causes anger, tension, and disrupts sleep patterns. 5. Noise can result in headache, irritability, and nervous tension. 6. Noise exposure can impair night vision and lead to color blindness. Prevention and control of noise. While complete elimination may not be feasible, the following measures can help reduce noise levels to tolerable limits. 1. Design machines to minimize noise production. 2. Equip automobiles, electric generators, etc. with effective silencers. 3. Restrict heavy vehicle traffic in residential zones. 4. Prohibit the use of loudspeakers for social or religious events. 5. Locate factories away from residential areas. 6. Use low volume settings for devices like TVs, radios, and music systems at home. Learning outcomes. Sound behaves similarly to light in terms of reflection, following two key principles. 1. The angle at which sound waves hit a surface is equal to the angle at which they bounce off that surface, and 2. The incident sound wave, the reflected sound wave, and the normal line all lie within the same plane. The principles of sound reflection can be demonstrated through a simple experiment involving a polished wooden board and metallic tubes to observe the equality of angles. Practical applications of sound reflection include megaphones, ear trumpets, and soundboards for even sound distribution in large halls. An echo is produced when a sound reflects off a distant object, and the minimum distance required for hearing an echo is approximately 17 meters. Reverberation occurs when multiple sound reflections reach the ear successively in a closed space, creating a continuous and echoing effect. Damped vibrations occur when the amplitude of a vibrating body gradually decreases over time until it eventually comes to a stop due to resistive forces like air resistance. Forced vibrations occur when an external periodic force is applied to a vibrating body to maintain its amplitude of vibration, which would otherwise decrease due to damping. Resonance occurs when two bodies have natural frequencies that match, resulting in a significant increase in the amplitude of vibrations, and it can be a specific case of forced vibrations. Musical sounds are distinguished by pitch, loudness, and quality, or timbre, while noise refers to unpleasant, non-musical sounds. Factors affecting the intensity of sound include amplitude, distance from the source, medium density, and loudness and frequency perception. Sound intensity is measured in decibels dB, representing the sound pressure level, with human ears capable of detecting sound levels ranging from 10 decibels to 180 decibels.